Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents of the Amenity kit in business class on Virgin Atlantic. Please remember to follow me on Instagram at Brandon Johnson 10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is the Virgin Atlantic goodie bag. This came from my flight VS6 from Miami to London Heathrow. So got the goodie bag. The contents, you've got socks. You do have an eye mask. That was actually stuck inside the goodie bag. I didn't pull it out, but it's in there. So you get an eye mask, socks, earplugs. Yeah, you've got toothpaste, toothbrush, brush it off as they say, a pen, as well as some Ren toiletries here. So you've got lip balm, hand cream, and some kind of facial mist. I believe that last one is. So this is what you can expect inside of Virgin Atlantic's goodie bag, which is their amenity kit for business class customers. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.
Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party.